Hello friends, many times in our offices or some accounting work, we have to insert currency symbols in our data sheet or expenditure sheet. Then question is how to insert currency symbols. It may be rupees, it may be yen, it may be dollar, it may be euro or any other national currency. Like this. Here we have taken example of rupee, Indian rupee. Let us understand how to insert currency. First of all, we delete these items. Okay. To understand, let's copy, Ctrl C and paste, Ctrl V. One way to insert currency symbol is using your keyboard. Keyboard shift and you can see a dollar sign at numeric 4 button. Just press shift and numeric 4. It will show dollar sign. Okay, but you have to insert dollar again by pressing shift and 4 and do in this way. But this process is very lengthy and we cannot insert Indian rupee sign, we cannot insert yen or euro sign. Then question, how to insert currency symbol, whether it is Indian rupee, whether it is yen, it is euro, etc. The best way to insert currency symbol is first select all and go to the top ribbon. You can see home and here you can see dollar sign, right? Just drop down. You can see all options are there. Rupee India, dollar United States, euro is there, Chinese yen is there and other formats are there. Just select these items from top to bottom. Go to this dollar sign, drop down and suppose we want to insert rupee sign. Just click and you can see entire data are now converted to rupee symbol. Now if we want to convert it, insert euro sign, just repeat the same thing, same activity, go to euro sign and click. All amounts are now with euro symbol. I hope this session of currency symbol insertion is helpful for your office work. If you like this video, you can subscribe and like. Thank you.